Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Samfix YouTube channel, and this is Redmi Note 12 Turbo or the Poco F5 custom ROM reviews. As you can see, guys, I'm back with EvolutionX Android version 14.8.2 is the version Tikoy Marble community. You can see January 5th 2024 is the latest security patch available for this particular ROM, and the kernel used here is 5.10.200 silver core EvoX kernel. This is a custom kernel built for EvolutionX, and it is present here. And build date, you can see January 5th is the latest security patch available. You get here typical home screen setup. You can adjust the icons here, and this is the quick settings panel. As you can see, in the edit section you also get some more options, as you can see. And one thing is Dolby Atmos as of now not at present. Hope we'll be getting soon in this EvolutionX. Let's see when it will get in Android 14 itself or not. Let me know in the comment section, guys. What are you people guessing for that? And this is how the quick settings panel. It's very smooth transition. As you can see, active apps, you can see the animation here, everything is smooth here. And this is settings panel, and here in the home screen you can customize. As you can see, home settings, this is EvolutionX launcher or the pixel launcher. You can see at a glance you can customize them. As you can see, plenty of options. If you want to disable that, you can do that. Notification, dot, suggestions, search, preferences. As you can see, allow home screen rotation. If you want that, you can do that. It's a big display, you can do that, guys. And this is how the app drawer and apps arranged here. This one you get basic call recorder. If you want to enable that, you can do that, because native dialer is the Google one. As you can see, let me show you this. You can make direct video call also, and you can record, but this will start recording. I mean, it will announce the other person that you are recording the call. Here you can open this one and make it out the BCR call recording. It will automatically record your calls once you enable this. Just use this, it will be beneficial for you guys. And into the app drawer you also get this one, the camera, MIUI based camera, and Leica integrated. In the video you get up to 4K 60. As you can see, 4K resolution, frame rate up to 60 from 24, and aspect ratio, flash. This is the new UI, guys. In HyperOS we kind of see this kind of UI here that has been implemented. Audio zoom feature is there. Into the settings, there is no watermark settings as of now. I will be hoping that will be also added in this upcoming build of this EvolutionX custom ROM for Poco F5 or the Redmi Note 12 Turbo. As you can see, you can change the camera style, but there is no watermark option as of now. But if you want to use any Gcam ports, already I made a dedicated videos how to install the AGC camera, LMC camera. There are plenty of ports on that, also versions. You can try out and find out which is best for you. You can use that. It will be advanced Gcam ports, guys, and you also get these kind of options here. Every options are working fine. I really like that they have implemented this Leica integration, the new hyper style of camera here. That's really good in my opinion. Yeah, watermark here, it is there. Let's capture something and see. This is the case. Yeah, ask for this. Yeah, you will get this kind of watermark here, Poco F5 Leica, as you can see, and the time you will get. But other than that, I was expecting Leica like we have seen in other smartphones. That watermark is missing here, but every features are working in the camera applications. And this is the typical home screen, as I said before. And these are the Echo battery results. I haven't used for a long time, just now enabled after charging the smartphone. I want to see some results here, show you some results for you into the gallery. And there is one more bug in this particular ROM is, if I go into wallpapers and style, let me hold this down. Yeah, as you can see, guys, if I want to go to more wallpapers for my photos, you can see only camera and screenshots are present. But something you have downloaded the wallpapers, but you want to make it as a wallpaper, then go to internal storage and pick this wallpaper. For example, this is not in the wallpaper section. Now make it copy to internal storage and go to DCIM here, camera, copy here. then that will be available to update the wallpaper. That's a small bug in the download settings. It's not getting recognized in wallpapers and customization, but anyhow this you can make it out guys. And results, yeah, that's the one thing. As you can see now the wallpaper has been downloaded here. Anyhow, this is the Geekbench score. Single score 1519 and 4367 is the multi score. Linux 5.10.200 silver core EvoX custom kernel, Android version 14. This is the CPU throttling test. For 100 that test I have run. You guys can see the maximum score around 395 and average is 303 and minimum is 246. If you observe the graph for 15 minutes I have run the score, there are some throttling going on, but in actual day-to-day life I haven't faced any issues regarding throttling, but it is throttled to 70% of its max performance on this Redmi Note 12 Turbo or the Poco F5 5G. This how the results, and this is the Android benchmark result. You guys can see 4 degrees Celsius has been temperature rise during this entire testing, and 5% of battery has been dropped, and here we are hitting 1,019,680 is the score what I got. It's a very good score, and the Android version used was this one. Again, don't complain me that you are getting different. If you use different application, I mean the Android version, then you will get different scores. And safety status also get passed. You can use all the payment applications like phone pay, Yono, SBI, whatever you want to use, you can use that. That will be going to work fine flawlessly. No need to worry regarding that. And this is the Wi-Fi speed using Wi-Fi, and this is the mobile internet speed using 5G. As you can see, I can hit this one during peak hours, evening 7:37 p.m. If I test now, it will be more again. This is the sequential read and write test with numbers and with graphs. And again DRM information, again level 1 certified, and charging rapidly. You can see gradually it will increase up to 24 watts what I have seen, but anyhow 33 watt charging support is there. After 80% it will gradually decrease the score. That's how the particular ROM results here. If I go into settings again, you get plenty of customization in the evolver. In the themes again, you can, in the theming setting, you can actually make the theme style here. For example, if I make vibrant, the colors settings will become little bit vibrant, expressive. You can customize them actually. Monochromatic, if you want black and white, then you can make that too, but I'll make it default here. And color space, again you can customize them. If you enable something else, you also get accent color, accent background, and background color, luminance, chroma, intensity adjustment, and tint background. If you want to make, you can make. And good thing is this dark theme, as you can see, by default this will be in default. Actually it will be not in pitch black condition. As you can see guys, it will be applied a theme based on the wallpaper. But if you want to make completely dark, forced dark, then make it vivid. Now the dark theme implementation is also very much better here. As you can see, this is what I needed in dark mode. At least they should give option like this in the dark theme. Let me disable that. Yeah, we'll come back here. And headline body font, again there are plenty are given. My personal favorite is this one, Google Sans Media. It restart the system here, and it will apply. As you can see, it's a little bit thicker and simple here. That's why I like it. Icon pack, again this will make huge difference. As you can see, Plumpy, again you can see status bar icons. If I make it again this one, HRs, again it will change. There is plenty here, you can play around them, and it's again personal preference, whichever you like it. And you will get these options. You will definitely going to use that in my opinion. This is the most customizable ROM. Very soon I am be making Cherry Shows video also. It will be very similar to that. Let's see what is different between those two. Let me know in the comment section guys, if you have already using Cherry Shows and EvolutionX, what difference you have noticed as of now. And if you first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. I will be motivated to make similar kind of videos. Again, Wi-Fi icon styles also there are plenty here. Icon shape, you can make it out here. Brightness slider style also there is something, for example filled. As you can see, again this brightness slider, if you can observe, it has been changed now. If you want to make thin, completely like a line, as you can see, you can make that too. And this one, as you can see, This is going to be a very good custom ROM for customization in terms of home screen and quick settings and status, but there will be a lot more customization here. Navigation bar style, if you want to use the traditional one, you can change those also. Signal icon style also, there are something you can change, and this data icon style. Now moving to status bar, again status bar lyric, if you want to use that, you can do. You can select some of the apps here support you, and clock and date, again you get plenty of customization here also. And status bar logo like EvolutionX what I have made, you also get some options here, as you can see styles, if you want you can do that. That's the custom ROM guys. You'll get lot more options here. And battery style, again you can see there are plenty here. And battery bar, battery percentage when charging, status bar icons, again colored icons. If for example here echo battery, it is showing in color, if you want you can disable that and make it a themed icon, if you want you can do that also. And some of the other options you can check out in the screen here. And power menu, again advanced restart button, for example let me press and hold here, as you can see you can directly boot into recovery. If you want to flash some other things or magics model or anything like that, you can do that. And these are the options you get here. Into gestures, again simple here. System settings, you get all the options here. One-handed mode is also given, as you can see. It's very much convenient here. I'll tell you why. And other things you can see, quick touch swipe to 3-finger screenshot, those things are working fine, no problem regarding that. Into again lock screen, you get some customization, ripple effect, fingerprint authentication and error vibration. And animations, as you can see, miscellaneous settings, you get unlimited photo storage and unlock high FPS in games and other play integrity fix. If that will not fix the integrity, you can here also you can do that. I really like this kind of customizations available. You can unlock the high FPS count and make it Google Photos, unlimited storage available. Those things will make you huge difference in using the custom ROMs. That's the benefit of using a custom ROM guys. I wish everyone to come to this custom ROM world. If you are having any primary or secondary device also, it's going to be better. Even if it is a primary device, don't worry, you can take a backup every time and make the fresh and fresh custom ROM flashing and use this as a daily driver. And this is the actual settings now. Battery, again battery usage, new graph, this is Android 14 style, as you can see. And thermal profiles has been implemented for certain apps. You can make it out what is the purpose of that particular app. If you notice that and make it out, then it will be a little bit better. Cycle count, battery widget, again those are Android 13 features, just revamped a little bit in Android 14. Sound and vibration, again you will get all the options here. Good thing is direct sound settings, enable hi-fi audio system and choose the headphone type and preset, and smart scene selection is there, but no Dolby Atmos has been enabled as of now. I am hoping very soon we get the Dolby Atmos support in this custom ROM too. In the display settings, again you get plenty of options here. As I said, dark theme implementation, you can even schedule it out based on the time what you need. And screensaver option is also given, as you can see. Show some controls and when to start, those things are also given here. Night light, live display, as you can see. Color calibration you can do based on RGB. Again colors are kept to saturated. If on natural, boosted or adaptive, you can do that. Auto rotate screen and smart pixels and something you can do here. Minimum maximum refresh rate, I keep it to 120 always. Smooth display, it will automatically switches from 60 to 120 based upon the content you use. Tap to wake is given. Pocket detection, full screen apps, if certain apps are not playing in the full screen, come here and press this toggle, then it will be played in full screen. And per app refresh rate also you can adjust from here. This is the Android 14 change compared to Android 13. That's the lock screen customization guys. You can adjust the presets of the clock time here. Not just that, you can even adjust the size of it and the color you want to keep and the intensity of it. You can do that from here. And shortcuts and show notification on the lock screen, if you want you can enable or disable. And some more lock screen settings you can share. This is the only visual change you can see in Android 14 compared to Android 13, and some animation speed and all. But internally there have been done many things that you will come to understand once you use this particular ROM for a lot more days. And accessibility menu, which is a handy feature guys. without actually using the physical buttons. You can actually turn the volume up and down, even the brightness slider. Don't want to slide the notification toggle from here, then you can use this. This is a handy feature. It's been there from Android 12. It's been evolving, and definitely you should use this kind of settings, accessibility menu, and some of the other accessibility menu, for example font size and display size. If you want something more bold text, then you can enable high contrast stress. If you forget everything, then you can reset the settings. Color and motion, again you get this kind of options here. Magnification, select to speak. This will be accessibility menu, flash notification. This is an Android 14 feature. You should definitely try these things, guys. Audio adjustment, for example, if you want something more from up stereo speakers support, you can do that. Yeah, you can see this is the ambient display. You get kind of always on display. If you want something the down speaker adjustment, then you can adjust the intensity towards right. Based upon that, you keep like this based upon how you like to hear, then you can adjust that. If you want just mono audio, then you can do that. These are the accessibility settings. You should definitely try them. In the security options, again app lock feature is pre-installed here, which is very good. Extended unlock is given here, and face unlock and fingerprint unlock. Let me show you guys. As you can see, fingerprint unlock is very much quick here. You also get some wobbling effect there. And let me show the face unlock. I haven't added, I think so. Let's add here with you. And these are the settings you get here. I really like this kind of smoothness here, guys. If you have any specific questions regarding this particular ROM, you can comment down in the comment section. I will be answering them very soon. And let me add the face unlock here. As you can see, guys, yeah, it took now. And what are the options you get? Skip lock screen, you get always required confirmation. If you want, you can do that. You can delete the face model. And let's see how it unlock now. Yeah, it is very quick using face unlock. As you can see, it is very much quick here. I really like the speeds here. And yeah, location, Google Maps, everything is working fine. No need to worry. WhatsApp is working fine. And into system, again into gestures, here I want to say swipe to screenshot, system gestures, navigation mode. Yeah, gesture navigation. Here you can adjust the pill length and pill radius. If it is very small and like this, it's very difficult to use 100 mode. Hence they should give this option. Based upon their requirement, they can adjust. For me, it's required like this. You can use like this to get the one-handed mode, guys. As you can see, if it is very much tiny, it will be little difficult. Hence these options are must in my opinion. And let me use this one, split screen option here. Let me try to use this. WhatsApp like this. You can type here, and this one. This is also a little bit improved here. Now the curves are a little bit revamped here in the Android 14. Split screen options. You can directly close this app. If you want to come back again to those two apps, you can do that, because we don't get any floating kind of windows or anything like that in this particular ROMs. But you will get this split screen option. It will work flawlessly. That I really liked in this particular ROMs. You should definitely utilize these things in any custom ROM. Let's say BGMI, how it handle in this particular ROM. And good thing is you will get high FPS count here. Into the graphics settings, as you can see, you can play in smooth plus 90 FPS. Ultra HDR option is also enabled here. Let's see how it handles. Initial impression, it was smooth. I already played this game in this particular ROM. You will get that smooth effect, as you can see. The Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 is a very good capable chipset, and the custom ROM is utilized very well in this particular ROM, guys. Yeah, I should enable these peak settings. You should definitely keep in mind, guys, the control settings what you make and how is the internet connectivity. Those things make huge difference in gameplay. Not just that you have a very good smartphone and you have a very good game, it will not going to possible to get great kills or good performance here. It all depends upon these things. And also you should have good skills towards any game. And also the game update sometimes ruins, guys. For this particular update, it might be good. In next upcoming update, it has some bugs. It all depends upon these things. Then only you'll get a very good gameplay. as you can see. I haven't faced any lag here. Even in the counter attacks, you definitely face lag once you play the classic matches. I'm just showing here how it handle in this game. Actually, it is smooth, the transition and the interface wise, and you get this kind of effect. As you can see here, there's all the quick settings toggles, you get app active status, you can see, and there is edit section. As you can see, it is smooth. There is no gaming mode or anything like that as of now, but yeah, as you can see, there was no lag actually, even in the counter attacks with 2 enemies around me. But in the classic mode, you might face some lag once there are like hard drop, boot camp or anything like that. But other than that, it is fine, I can say. Yeah, I'll come back here. This is the gameplay here. BGM, it's really good. The experience was very much good here, guys. And this is the typical home screen and other things. I think I have explained everything in detail here. If you have still any specific questions regarding this particular ROM, you can comment down in the comment section. And the flashing method is very simple. Before that, I want to remove the passwords here. Let me go into security and privacy and here screen lock. Let me make it none. And now boot into recovery. As you can see, advanced and boot into recovery. I am using here TWRP SHKK. That one I have to try something. Tried Orange Fox and TWRP. That doesn't work for me, hence I am using this. And again, if you want to flash something different ROMs, this is not going to work. The TWRP, as you can see, 3.7.0 12 Poco F5 version 8.3. This is only applicable for Android 14, as you can see, guys. And once you flash here, go to wipe and select your advanced wipe, Dalvik cache and cache. Select those things and swipe here to wipe it. Then go to install. And if it is a decrypted ROM, you will get files here that will be visible here. If it is a encrypted, then use a pen drive because we don't have any micro SD slot in this particular ROM. Flash firmware always first. If you are not willing to flash the firmware, it will be difficult, guys. You should flash the firmware. Even they mentioned it's pre-built firmware. I recommend to flash, guys. Firmware is very much essential. Flash your reason wise, or else if you don't know, then you can flash the global firmware also, and select storage and flash that. And again, select, for example, something, select here, and you can do that. Later that you can select the ROM zip file. If you want to flash the magics, you can flash that one. If it is a vanilla build, you can use GApps, Nick GApps, whatever the ROM developer has mentioned, use the same, guys, in order to not get any problems or anything like that. Later go to wipe here and again select format data and type here YS and press this tick button and reboot to system. Then the ROM zip file, I mean the system will get reboot to your custom ROM. For first time you need to set up as a new device, then it will be working fine. As you can see, rebooting time on this particular ROM is also very good. This is the EvolutionX logo you get. Don't press anything like that. For some ROMs it might take plenty time. You should wait actually. Don't press anything here. If that does not boot, sometimes if it is in boot loop, try to boot in for this one recovery. If recovery also don't work, then try to boot fast boot mode and again connect to PC and flash the custom recovery. These are the things you should keep in mind, guys, because still it's a new device, Poco F5. We are still getting some more builds and some more custom ROMs are getting here. New custom ROMs are getting, and even the custom recoveries are getting updated. You might want to get into this. I think you should wait for some more months and then you can come to here. But if you are already unlocked the bootloader and testing ROMs, let me know in the comment section, guys. This is Sampath. Will meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for